Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Jamia Abul Hasan nadvi for providing this wonderful platform to develop our personalities. Now, I am going to present a speech on a topic of our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Respected Vice President, teachers, and all my dear friends. There was a time when the world was engulfed in the darkness of ignorance, when corruption and oppression were uncontrolled among the globe, when bloodshed was worldwide, when human being was not considered as a human being, when women were considered as a burden on a society, when girls were buried as soon as they were born. The world was shackled in ignorance, injustice, and inequality. The world was dragging itself in its annihilation. Then the light came from the heaven. The light of justice, the light of equality, the guidance, the infinite light to save this world from the darkness, the eradicator of the darkness, the generous, the truthful, and the trustworthy. Came our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ. The Lord says to our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, we have sent you as a mercy for the entire world. My friends, the leader of that time had made the world neglected, dejected. Our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, told us the world, the status, and the right of the women. My friends, our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, had all those perfections which were found in every prophet from Adam Islam to Isa alayhi salatu wasalam. Someone rightly says, Husn Yusuf Dame Isa Yed Baydadari. Husn Yusuf Dame Isa Yed Baydadari Acha Khuba Hamanan Tutan Hadari. Our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, had the preaching of Nuh, the faith of Ibrahim, the selflessness of Ismail, the magnificence of Musa, the elegance of Harun, the beauty of Yusuf, and the decency of Yahya alayhi salatu wasalam. My friends, we are the follower of our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. But unfortunately, we have deviated the path of love and the mercy that was shown by our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. You may have heard many times about the incident of Taif. People humiliated our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Children threw stone at our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. But my friends, look at the mercy. Look at the mercy of our Prophet. He did not respond with hate. He did not respond with rage, retaliation. Instead, he forgave them. He prayed for them. He prayed for those who had insulted. My friends, today the world is yet again. The world is yet again in the state of turmoil. We should not respond with hate. We should not respond with rage and retaliation. We must follow the footsteps of our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and choose mercy over retaliation, forgiveness over revenge, hope over despair. And we should follow the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who says, وَلَا تَسْتَبِ الْحَسَنَةُ وَلَا السَّيِّئَةُ اِدْفَعْ بِالَّتِي هِيَ أَحْسَنُ. Good and evil cannot be equal. Repel that which is evil, that which is forever. I conclude my speech here with some couplets of Urdu. अरबाब नज़र को कोई ऐसा न मिलेगा, अरबाब नज़र को कोई ऐसा न मिलेगा, बंदे तो मिलेंगे मौला न मिलेगा। तारीख अगर ढूंढेगी सानी मोहम्मद, तारीख अगर ढूंढेगी सानी मोहम्मद, सानी तो बड़ी चीज़ है, साया न मिलेगा। वाखिर दावाना अनिल हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन।